NeuronWriter AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of NeuronWriter, a cutting-edge AI tool designed for content creators, marketers, and SEO professionals. If you're looking for a smarter way to optimize your writing for search engines while improving its overall quality, this might be the solution for you. Links to NeuronWriter are in the description if you want to check it out after this review. NeuronWriter is built to help you craft high-quality, SEO-friendly content that ranks. It combines advanced natural language processing, NLP, with search engine data to guide you step-by-step through creating or improving articles. It's particularly suited for anyone managing a blog, working in digital marketing, or trying to boost organic traffic for their website. The standout feature of NeuronWriter is its ability to analyze your competitors' top-ranking content and suggest ways to outdo them. It provides a clear content score based on keyword usage, structure, and relevance, ensuring you're always on the right track. With its AI-powered suggestions, you can identify semantically related terms, making your articles comprehensive and authoritative in the eyes of search engines. Another impressive feature is the content editor, which seamlessly integrates keyword suggestions while maintaining readability. Unlike tools that feel robotic, NeuronWriter focuses on keeping your writing natural yet effective. It also offers detailed analysis for tone, structure, and word count, helping you align your content with user intent and search engine requirements. NeuronWriter is for both beginners and experts. For beginners, its intuitive interface and guided recommendations make it easy to use. For professionals, the in-depth analytics and competitive analysis tools provide the advanced insights needed to stay ahead. During my testing, I found that NeuronWriter not only simplified my content creation process, but also significantly boosted my efficiency. The results? Higher rankings and better engagement. To sum up, NeuronWriter is a must-have for anyone serious about SEO and content creation. It's powerful, easy to use, and genuinely effective. Try it out for yourself using the links below. Let me know in the comments about your experience.